Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can clean up your desktop if you are like me and you have all of these different files stored in your desktop in just a completely unorganized way. So the way that we're going to use this is by using Google Stacks, right? Because let's say for some reason you get anxiety and you don't want to delete these things. Well, what we want to do is click on our desktop, right? Just anywhere in the middle here. So that way we have this menu at the top bar. And then we want to go ahead and select View. And then under View, we want to use Stacks. So we'll go ahead and do this. And look at that. It made everything condense into this one area, okay? So let's say I want to, view what's in that stack. All I gotta do is click on it. So these are all my screenshots here, okay? And if I want that to collapse, then I just click on it again. And then we're good, right? Here are all my movies. Okay, if I want to open one, I would just double click on it. But otherwise, I can go over to movies and I can close that stack. So this is a quick and easy way to clean up your desktop on a Mac. And if for some reason you want to change the organization, you could always go over here and go to Group Stacks by. You can do it by date. You can do it by date modified. I like to just stick with the kind. And obviously, if for some reason you want to go back and you don't want to use these stacks and you want that chaotic mess on your Mac, then you would just go ahead and select or deselect use stacks and it will bring everything back. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and use it though because I like it to look nice and clean. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.